This is a 2012 Volkswagen GLI. This car has a 6-speed automatic transmission and an inline 4-cylinder engine. Its top features include a turbocharger, a locking differential, a sport suspension, traction control and stability control systems, an iPod adapter, commercial-free satellite radio, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: aluminum wheels, air conditioning, cruise control, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, performance tires, a passenger side vanity mirror, an engine immobilizer theft deterrent system, an anti-lock braking system, heated side view mirrors, and this vehicle has less than 28,000 miles. This Volkswagen has had only one owner and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Please call us today for more information on this great vehicle.